Hi everyone, this is Dr. Cummins. So I just wanted to record a short introduction to our first module in the class. Hope everybody's first week of class went well, whether you're here in Lubbock or abroad. I know I heard from a few people with questions about textbooks, questions about the course assignments and format and things like that. So if I can be of any help at any point, please do get in touch. One of the things that I really like about this class is that I truly do think this is a useful class for everybody across the college. And the reason I say it's so useful is because we're all consumers of media, and you guys are going to be producers of media or media professionals. So again, I think everything that we talk about is really useful because it helps us understand how media impact us, how media impact society, how we can use media for specific strategic goals, how we can craft messages that might yield some type of outcome. So again, I think there is really broad relevance to everything that we're going to talk about. But before we dive into the specific theories that we'll cover in the rest of the class, these first few chapters kind of provide some background. So the first one of these background chapters is chapter 1, which just really gives an overview on the nature of a theory, what a theory is. So it's going to start with a really brief discussion of how we go about learning about the media's impact on society, how we go about gathering the knowledge that explains how watching a TV show might impact us or might impact somebody else. After we've looked at some of those different ways of acquiring knowledge or ways of knowing information, we'll move into a discussion of science and a scientific approach to studying communication and communication-related questions. What exactly that means, the way that we do scientific research, and then from there, we're going to spend a lot of time talking about the nature of social science, what makes social science a little bit different from some of your hard or physical sciences. We'll talk about the characteristics of social science, and we'll spend the last few minutes, or last few bit of the class, talking about some of those qualities of the scientific approach and how that is applied in studying communication. So anyway, it's a great overview chapter. It's a great sort of background that's going to set up everything we talk about for the rest of the semester. So spend some time going through the slides. There's a discussion assignment. All that's laid out in the instructions for Module 2. So hope you have fun with it, and I will see you again in about a week.